why did you pursue your career in marketing? What inspired you?
Always had a knack for creatives. I used to like good stuff. मतलब ये कैसे बनाया, ये ऐसे क्यों बनाया? Just recently joined gym. उसके पहले had never gone to gym. जो आता था घर पे करता था मैं. तो मेरा इंस्ट्रक्टर फोन करता 6:30 बजे. Sir, 7 बजे पहुंचना है. And I tell him, हाँ, I'm leaving, and I'm like, I keep the phone in the pocket. So it's a struggle. Coffee is still luxury. Have you seen Starbucks का cup? If I go to Starbucks, मैं आधा किडनी उधर छोड़ के आता हूँ. Pizza company is giving you one pizza for 1200 rupees. So in a very clean house, हम ऐसे कचरा मंगा रहे हैं, कचरा फेंक रहे हैं, फिर हम उसी कचरे को साफ करने के लिए जिम जाओ, डाइट करो. फिटनेस इज सिंपल. और तुम 4 पराठा खाने का मूड है तो एक खाओ.
So what about stress? Do you have any ritual to manage stress?
Everything is in your head, right? Stress is in your head, fear is in your head. Half of the stress is with things that don't exist. We create it for ourselves. अब भी समझ लो, peer pressure कुछ नहीं होता.
So tell us about your weight loss journey. You lost 18 kg. So what was the motivation behind it? Thought process?
So my son was like, Dad, you look like Thor, but from Avengers 2. Thor का जैसा पेट था ना Avengers 2 में, आप है ना वैसे लग रहे हो. That hit me so hard. So I made changes to the way I used to eat. 8-10 days मुझे लग रहा था मुझे भूख लगी 2 रोटी में मेरे से क्या होगा. So I went to the टपरी and said, भैया चाय देना, शक्कर मत डालना. I remember that. That was a flex for me कि मैंने बिना शक्कर के चाय पी एक टपरी पे. It's a 12-week challenge. So I entered a transformation challenge. The caveat there is every week you have to take your pictures and upload.
We'll talk about the GST part. The 18% popcorn can.
मत खाओ. 5% या 18% मत खाओ यार.
Tell alternatives for protein powder.
पनीर खाओ यार. चिकन खाओ. एग वाइट्स खाओ.
Chai.
चल के जाओ अगली बार चाय पीने की.
Oil.
Ghee. Nothing beats ghee यार. I love ghee. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the healthy nari.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Glow Up Talks by Healthy Naris. This is Sonal and I'm Adla.
So today we have someone who has blended creativity with business acumen and a zest for life. We are thrilled to announce the person who has 16 long years of experience in experiential marketing, and he currently heads he's AVP of Group Brand Marketing at Dornier Group. So he's none other than Akash Mishra. We are thrilled to announce and excited to have him in this podcast. Welcome to the show, Akash. My first question is, why did you pursue your career in marketing? What inspired you? And how do you manage your high-profile marketing career and your busy schedule with your personal fitness and your regime in the entire day?
So there were 1, 2, 3, 4 questions here. Thank you for calling. And answer to the question of why did I choose marketing? शायद मैथ साइंस पढ़ नहीं पाया था इसीलिए डॉक्टर इंजीनियर नहीं बन पाया. बट आई ऑलवेज हैड अ नैक फॉर क्रिएटिव्स. आई यूज्ड टू लाइक गुड स्टफ. मतलब ये कैसे बनाया, ये ऐसे क्यों बनाया, व्हाई डू पीपल बाय दिस, व्हाई डू पीपल
Curious about it.
Very curious. And I think the only time I remember is around when I was in 6th or 7th grade. I remember this very well. I used to stay somewhere in Siam. So there was this Mahesh Bhaiya. That time he was working with Z. And whenever he used to come to the building, I was swag में आते. I'm like, यही करना, ये करता क्या है पता करना पड़ेगा. So I tried everything from engineering to my parents trying to make me a doctor. वो शायद ना हो पाएगा. And somewhere करते करते घिसते finished 12th in science. And then that was the year then BMM as a course was introduced. अरे यही है, this is my calling. हम घुस गए उस कोर्स में जहाँ
सीधे से बोलो ना, मार्क्स कम आए थे.
प्रोफेसर्स को पता नहीं कि पढ़ाना क्या, हमको पता नहीं पढ़ना क्या. वो 3 साल हमने मस्ती में निकाल लिए.
Okay.
And then started working. So I've been in marketing for over 2 decades now. So it's super fun. Now third question मैं भूल गया. क्या question?
So how do you manage your high profile, marketing career with your hectic schedule and fitness and everything?
High profile, hectic
integrate
schedule.
everything?
ये सब this is all smoke screen. High profile कुछ नहीं होता, hectic schedule कुछ नहीं होता. हर एक के पास टाइम होता है. It's just that if they say, "No, I'm very busy, I'm in a meeting," it's just because they don't want to talk to you. So that's about it. But yeah, today high profile, hectic is more on traveling. आज बॉम्बे में तुम ज़रा 4 घंटा काम नहीं कर रहे हो, उसके लिए 4 घंटा ट्रैवल कर रहे हो. So traveling is the only thing that is killing half of India today. Infrastructure problem, this, that, everything is a problem. And then there are so many people, there are so many cars. तो पड़े रहो रोड पे. So what do you do to maintain, because you've been used to this sedentary lifestyle for so long कि बैठे बैठे करना है. And then I think after 91 when FDI started in India, हम उसके पहले हम बहुत खुश थे ना, घी खाते थे. बोला नहीं घी नहीं खाना है, refined oil is the best, वो sunflower oil is the best.
Exactly.
So I think the moment we started westernizing everything, we have reached this place where we are now talking कि क्या सही खाना चाहिए so that we are
I think
in
started
better
with
health.
CCD. I remember CCD was the first franchise model to come into India that time, and we were all with how much money and time did we waste in that?
Socializing. They gave you places to socialize.
And coffee was like a luxury that time when they came in.
Coffee is still luxury. Have you seen Starbucks का cup?
I'm not talking about Starbucks.
If I go to Starbucks, मैं आधा किडनी उधर छोड़ के आता हूँ. But that's how it is. So with all this and with everything that we are exposed to now, with everything on our fingertips right now, bottom line is if you do not take care of your health, which is the only priority,
Exactly. Everything stops with that.
it's khatam.
Yeah, it's over.
No, not many people know this. I lost my father this year. So last year I was shooting for something on the 24th of December. I was shooting for a track that I was showing you.
Okay.
And he was unwell, took him to the hospital, and he never came back from there. So I lost my dad
sorry
in
to hear
Jan. So that's when it hit me hard. Whatever he's done through the life, he was not feeling well, and I couldn't do anything for him because he took a certain lifestyle, ate a certain way, and that maybe was one of the reasons for his passing. That's when I decided was इस तरह से तो नहीं जाना. And that's why I'm trying my best कि जितना हो जाता है उसमें किस तरह ना struggles are every day. मतलब मैं ऐसे उठते वो करना सीधा जिम में गिरूंगा नहीं, उठने नहीं होता है. I have 3 phones, वो 6 अलार्म लगा के बैठता हूँ. उसमें भी half the times then I've just recently joined gym. उसके पहले had never gone to gym. जो आता था घर पे करता था मैं. तो मेरा इंस्ट्रक्टर फोन करता 6:30 बजे, सर 7 बजे पहुंचना है. एंड आई टेल हिम हाँ आई एम लीविंग एंड आई कीप द फोन एंड पास आउट. सो इट्स अ स्ट्रगल.
Struggle, true.
So trying to get in a flow where this becomes a part of life.
Yeah.
And then बाकी तो धीरे धीरे करते रहते हैं. So it's not easy.
Okay.
Fitness is simple. तुम क्या खा रहे हो, अगर तुम 4 पराठा खाने का मूड है तो 1 खाओ. अगर तुमने दोपहर को बिरयानी खाई है तो रात को खिचड़ी खाओ. Balance is the answer. That's it.
And don't eat till the 100%. Just stop at 80 or 70.
वही तो नहीं पता ना 80-70 कहाँ है.
That's a Japanese philosophy.
Anybody please कोई स्टार्टअप चालू कर रहा है जिसमें पता चल जाए कि 70% हो गया खाना, please I will be your first customer.
Maybe we should start.
Go for it.
So what about stress? Like, how do you have any ritual to manage stress in your day-to-day life? Like, do you
Because
practice?
entertainment business is not easy, right? Being part of it and being
Nothing
on the
is
go.
easy. What you guys are doing is also not easy.
Definitely not.
And stress क्या होता है? I think I am of the opinion that everything is in your head, right?
Yeah.
Stress is in your head, fear is in your head. So my mom is one of the strongest people that I know. So if I am how I am today, it's because I've seen how she was. I don't know, maybe you'll have to beat, but I've started living my life of late. Keep your head held high. And because half of the stress is with things that don't exist. We create it for ourselves.
True.
Yeah, I think I can't remember which celebrity was and what was the reel about, but it was about him going bungee jumping, skydiving, and it was supposed to be 9 a.m. next day, but the whole evening, whole night, he was stressing about it.
Yeah.
And then in the clip, he says that till the time I stepped on the ledge of the plane to jump out, I realized the entire 14-15 hours that I spent was a waste. Because जो main stress है तो वो उधर खड़े होके कोई धक्का देगा तभी होने वाला है, right? So that is what stress is. We create stress because I think we do not as a generation, we don't like to be happy. Because the moment you're happy, people are like, "Arey, kya ho gaya? Why are you so happy?" It should be like, why are you so stressed? वो होना चाहिए. But why are you so happy is the question. So I manage my stress by trying to filter it in my head, saying this is not worth it. It's a very philosophical answer, but in a day is about 1440 odd minutes. Half of the stress is with people around.
Yes.
We are social.
Yeah.
So today, if you come and say something to me for a minute and you walk off, and I'll remember it for the next 2 hours.
Yeah.
True.
So out of 40 minutes a day, if you've spoiled my one, why am I being stupid by spoiling the other 1439? So when you spoil my one, I'm like, isko aag lagao, baaju pheko. I have 1439 more. And with that childlike philosophy, I try to manage my stress like that.
That's an amazing answer.
That's
100
actually. So George Clooney, in one of the movies, he said, if you take your relatives and your friends and all of those people and you put them in a suitcase, that's the stress you carry with you in your life. And the moment you leave that suitcase in your house and you travel, so that's your stress reeling off. So I think that's something similar.
It is people, yeah. And it's not that we are victims. हर एक की जिंदगी में problem.
It is similar kind of.
Everybody has the same damn story.
Yeah.
We just want to feel special because of our ego. कि मेरी life में problem है. Everything is happening wrong with me.
To me.
My work is hectic. My work is... अरे you have work.
They should be happy with that.
People are dying to get jobs.
Seriously.
Enjoy that, yeah. ठीक है. Not everybody can have a good boss or good organization. Enjoy it till it lasts. Go somewhere else. Nobody is, tying you to chain saying नहीं यही बंदुआ मजदूरी करनी है तुझे. So stress, I think, is a state of mind. Everybody, even I do get stressed out, but maybe not for such trivial things as what have people done to me, or where am I working, or my life is so hectic, and a lot of people want that hectic life. You have it, accept it, be happy about it. तो हीरो बन रहा है, मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी ना, डायलॉग तो पढ़ने पड़ेंगे कि नहीं कि खाली आगे खड़ा हो गया और पीछे से कोई वीओ दे रहा है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. So do the part.
We like to be in our comfort zone, so that's the issue.
And also food is also major factor on stress. क्या खा रहे हो दिन भर? We are the junk capital now.
Yes.
What input we get, that is the output.
So when a kid is hungry, what is McDonald's खाना है? I mean, nothing against them. Pizza खाना है, burger खाना है, ठीक है? क्या? Coke, iced tea. अरे सारा दूध दो, एक रोटी दे दो, खत्म हो गया, sorted है.
Seriously.
But हमने वो उसको एक status symbol भी बना दिया.
Of course.
And with bad food, your body is it's a
what you eat,
it's a bloody marvel. If you cut your finger or something and there's to be a surgery, the surgeon takes 4 or 5 hours trying to figure out वो नस कैसे जोड़ सकूंगा.
Exactly.
So you have such a complex
Structure, yeah.
structure that you're living in. And if you have a nice house, clean house, बाहर से लाके कचरा डालता है के अंदर, and then ask somebody, come on, चलो साफ करके दे दो. So that's what we are doing with our body, right? We are paying money, premium. I know of pizza companies giving you one pizza for 1,200 rupees, 1,300 rupees. We're paying extra cheese, extra mayo, blah blah.
Correct.
So in a very clean house, हम ऐसे कचरा मंगा रहे हैं,
Expensive
कचरा फेंक रहे हैं, फिर हम उसी कचरे को साफ करने के लिए जिम जाओ, डाइट करो,
I really like this analogy.
मेड करो. So your dieting is like your maid, no? वो आगे साफ कर रहा है, पर वो बेचारा एक दिन में जितना साफ करेगा तो उससे 10 गुना डाल चुका है कचरा. So that is also adding to stress.
True.
So you have manage your food. Try and manage your food. Don't give importance to people. Trust me, they are not worth it. And live your one life.
But then that's difficult also, no? Because we are social. We need that human connection, that human touch.
Human
But
validation.
have
And you
human
know,
connection. You don't need drama in life.
No, but what I've realized is most of my relationships will wither and fall if you don't somehow manage that person or try and compromise in some way. Like maybe that's the circle you build over the years, but it's very difficult as well because we can't live isolated lives.
Not at all. I've never said. I
Yeah.
think I'm the most social person you'll find. But if you have friends, how many friends will you remember? Maybe you can count. Like I
Exactly.
can count 5 of my friends.
Good friends, yeah.
And maybe some 20,000 people I've met as colleagues and work and this and that throughout my life.
Correct.
So वो जो friends होंगे, they will not push you. नहीं, today you will have to drink with me only. Then you're my friend.
True.
So if they are your friends, they will not stress you out.
Quality over quantity.
If they are your acquaintances, they want you to also come down to their level saying यार ये कैसे खुश है, इसको नहीं खुश
सही
रहना,
बात है।
नीचे लेके आओ, चलो दारू पीते हैं, करो. I mean, I am not a teetotaler. I also drink. I have a beer. I have a social circle. I go out for parties. I go out for meetings. So I have to behave a certain way. That doesn't mean that I have to imitate what they're doing. I have to just be a part of it. And if you are there because you've been called for what you're doing, you don't need to do all this nonsense to feel like a part of a tribe.
That is like a peer pressure kind of.
But I think
नहीं होता यार.
with age you leave all that behind as well. So
हाँ,
yeah.
बुढ़ापे में से शायद समझ में आ जाए. इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि बुढ़ापे तक मत रुको, अब भी समझ लो, peer pressure कुछ नहीं होता.
So okay, you told me you don't worry about the small stuff. What is the stuff that what are the existential questions that bother you or that keep you motivated or keep you hustling?
मोटिवेटेड तो पता नहीं, एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्वेश्चन सभी के सही में कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ. आजकल इंडिया इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर कैपिटल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, आई थिंक.
True.
And when you see this person created that with 100 crore valuation and somebody sold the company for 600 crore, I'm like, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में?
That's just the top 0.1%. You don't see the 99%.
No. I was just there. Last week I was in Banaras, Varanasi.
Yeah.
Oh.
I love that place. I love the ghats, and I've put my dad's ashes in the Ganga.
Okay.
So I have a very strong connection.
Correct.
It's like I just get drawn to the place, and when I reach Varanasi, morning 4-5 a.m. If you find me, you'll find me on some ghat walking. At night, you'll find me in some ghat walking. It's so peaceful.
Correct.
And this time I was alone. I had gone for work and then I was like, I don't need people around. So I was alone and I was walking and I met people. I saw kids playing guitar there. I just got in conversation with people that I met. सबका एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, यार ये ना मेरा फ्रेंड मेरे से ज्यादा बेटर कर रहा है, मेरे पेरेंट्स के सामने पता नहीं मैं अरे कुछ नहीं होता है. दे आर लिविंग देयर जर्नी, यू आर लिविंग योर्स.
True.
Maybe at this age you feel you have not achieved enough. And somebody else has achieved enough in 20 years. A 20-year-old is doing much better than you. वो तो हर जगह होगा. So that is the biggest question कि what am I doing in my life?
You always compete.
Yeah, am I worth it? Will my friends feel that I have achieved something? And in my head I know that I want to do this 4-5 things. उसमें से have I even achieved one?
True.
Am I spending time to achieve one? Or am I stuck in the work that I'm doing? Now that is the stress point. Now that is my macro level stress.
Yeah.
कौन मेरे बारे में क्या बोलता है is the least of my worries. I think I've grown out of that phase completely.
Nice.
Learned the hard way.
I think with age comes a lot of wisdom. But
I know I'm old. You mean twice you.
no, I'm working on me as well. Like that's fine.
कोई बात.
I'm just saying,
I'm the
that's
youngest
very
of
Indian.
Yeah, fine.
Humble age brag, but no, what happens? It's a very Indian thing. What have you done? When are you getting married? Are you gonna have kids? What is the next step? Where are you gonna take your vacations? I think that is what that nobody comes and asks you, are you happy? Are you satisfied? Are you okay? Do you need some help? And that is the problem right now. That's how we structure our whole lives. But I was born, I don't know about you all, but I was born, I think it's around the same time when the economic financial crisis happened. So we never had a steady study, work, put in your hours and you will prevail. Like we've seen industries shut down and now AI has replaced so much of what we were doing. You have to constantly be very, I think, versatile, and also you have to keep changing what your skill set. You need to adapt and coexist with what is changing. I changed my field from finance to content writing, thinking that's my passion and I want to make money out of it, because that time content writing was booming. And then came ChatGPT and all this 1,000 AI tools, and you're getting laid off in mass. And you're like, what are you going to do with your skill set now? That's why I like finding a purpose and not attaching your value to something that is not work related, and not having a family life. All of that factors, if you take yourself as a separate person and saying, who am I without all of this? I think that's one of the reasons people really relive that very late in life, or they don't come to that question at all. So I feel like meditation and spirituality and a lot of self questions, that's where it comes to, like at the end of the day, like the macro existential question.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the healthy Nari.
You tell us about your weight loss journey. You lost 18 kgs. So what was the motivation behind it, thought process, and how is Avengers a part of all this?
I just woke up. I think I was in a slumber for a very long time.
Yeah.
And I was working with the Times of India. I was heading the experiential marketing for Times of India. Multiple brands. I think 7 or 8 of them. Filmfare, Femina, Grazia, Hello, Lonely Planet, Top Gear, Good Food, Trends, Good Homes. Lot of these magazines I used to head. So as a part of it, we used to do a lot of IPs, like Filmfare Awards was our IP. So I've been working I was heading the Filmfare Awards for quite a long time. So उसमें क्या होता है, when you start working and you have a full glam job, you're hobnobbing with the celebrities and you're कुछ नहीं होता. You used to work really hard to put up a show that you used to watch on TV.
Correct.
To put up that show, we used to work nights and days, and I used to look after 1,000, 1,500 people working on it, different agencies, different partners. What happens there? Your health and your food takes a backseat.
Correct.
There have been days where I have gone without eating through the day. And then there have been days when somebody comes, sir, chai. Chai is the worst thing. Sir, chai. ये ले लो. ये किसी ने कुछ मंगा लिया, किसी ने कुछ मंगा लिया. So कुछ खाते गए. I realized one day I was just sitting and we took a picture and I was with my kid and I saw that picture. I was looking like a fat blob who had reached, I checked my weight, I had reached around 98 kgs. I could not look at myself. And that was the same week we went and we watched Avengers. Avengers 2. And dekha, so my son is like, Dad, you look like Thor. I'm like,
Thor.
Okay.
Nice comparison.
But from Avengers 2. So you're nice, tall. You look very nice. Bro, Thor का जैसा पेट था ना Avengers 2 में, आप है ना वैसे लग रहे हो. That hit me so hard. Like, you look like Thor from Avengers 2. That's when I started. So I had never gone to gym in my life. Gym I've started off late. I think a month and a half ago is the first time I've entered into a gym. So I used to work out at home. जैसे उसके पहले YouTube पे सब तो कुछ था नहीं, तो मैं एक डंबल आगे कर लिया, हो गया. But of late a lot of platforms have started and I came across a platform called Fitter. It's a community that people come and there are different ways. You can either have a lot of free exercise, workout regime, diets, everything, or you can pick a coach and the coach will irritate you with calls every day and make sure that you keeps you on track. And they used to have something called Transformation Challenge.
Okay.
It's a 12-week challenge. So I entered a Transformation Challenge. And the caveat there is every week you have to take your pictures and upload. My first set of pictures, I was like a fat everywhere and 4 images. Then I started and I just started reading about nutrition. मुझे कुछ ऐसा वो exotic seeds और ये सब नहीं खाना, simple खाने में क्या. So I changed firstly the way I used to eat food. My relationship with food I changed. Egg whites I put in my diet. दोपहर को दाल रोटी, मतलब 1 bowl of dal, dahi, some veggies, salad, and 2 rotis. That was my lunch. And around 4-5 o'clock, 1 fruit. And at night, because with so much stress and this and that, you don't get sleep. So I used to have little 65-70 grams of rice, dal, and salad, and that's about it.
That.
And for protein intake, I used to take that paneer. I used to put in cubes, अच्छे से sauté करना, कड़क कड़क बनता है, खा लेने का. Soya, and twice a week I used to order for chicken breast and eat that chicken breast with broccoli. So I made changes to the way I used to eat. And it was difficult. First
Yeah.
8-10 days मुझे लग रहा था मुझे भूख लगी है, 2 रोटी में मेरे से क्या होगा. But then there was a tough one, and I remember till चाय पीना ना टपरी पे. So I went to the टपरी and said, भैया चाय देना, शक्कर मत डालना. I remember that. That was a flex for me कि मैंने बिना शक्कर के चाय पी एक टपरी पे. And once you get your food right, 70% of your work is done.
Correct.
Then you have to start working out. So in that app, I took that workout, 6-day workout, every day what needs to be trained. I had 2 dumbbells in my house, so I ordered from Amazon. I ordered a set of dumbbells, 1 barbell, this. I ordered a bench that came to me after COVID because the deliveries nahi the. And then I started working out, and I gave myself 90 days, 3 months challenge, 12 weeks. And around 80th day, I took before and after pictures and I uploaded on Fitter. That's when I realized that, gym ये कुछ किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. If you have the will and if your son calls you a fat Thor, you can do anything. And so I brought down from 98 to 79 kgs. I'm like 79 कुछ ज़्यादा ही lean हो गया है. तो tall frame में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. I'm like 80-82 maintain करते हैं. And okay, and then I shifted my job. Now I'm heading a fashion lifestyle brand. There are 16 brands there. So again, my food habits and everything went completely off for 7-8 months. Then I lost my father, I told you. And then there was a second wake up call that I can't be like this. I can't see my family being like this. And then that was my second coming. So now I'm going back and targeting my 79-80 kgs. It's work in progress. It's not easy.
It's not.
What I've realized is, जितने ads और जितने podcasts और जितने लोग influencers वो 6 packs दिखाते हैं ना, stop. Make it more realistic for people. Like that might be said 0.1% of the population.
True.
The others, only thing that you need to teach as an influencer is how to be consistent. I am like, I missed my workout yesterday morning. My instructor messaged me on WhatsApp, sir, मैं आपसे बहुत गुस्सा हूँ. It felt like girlfriend talking to me, but I felt so good that here is a man who's looking after me when I'm not being able to. Yeah, and so shout out to him. He's so I've recently joined the gym 2 months ago. I've taken instructor, and the only reason of taking the instructor is चलो exercise better हो जाएंगी, equipment हो जाएगा. पर ये सुबह 6:30 मुझे लात मार के उठाने वाला कोई चाहिए था, and he is the one like that. So every morning I'm scared of Lakshmi calling me and he's like, hello sir, 7 बजे पहुंचना है. And there have been times like I have missed week में शायद 3 ही दिन कर पाया. But then I make sure that I work out at home. I don't miss because I didn't go to the gym. तो मेरा workout नहीं हो, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. So that's the new gym routine right now, which is my second coming. So maybe I'm not the right person for a fitness podcast right now, but the journey that I'm on, I can guarantee you is the same journey at least 50% of the population getting into fitness is there on right now. All I can say is don't give up. It's going to be tough as, but do not give up. Just consistency. Like just show up. Like there have been days where I missed my gym and I have to go to office, come back. उस दिन मैं भले ही 10 push-ups करूँगा. And at least my subconscious will know that I worked out.
Correct.
I don't want to have a break like that. So Lakshmi sir, even if I miss gym, I work out. Please accept that reality. I think I'm not scared of anybody but my Lakshmi sir now, yaar. And I've started the fitter community again. I've taken a coach because that coach helps me with the proper diet.
Okay.
There you have to actually log every time. तूने आज क्या खाया? फोटो भेजना पड़ता है कि यार देखो दाल खाए. उसमें से I get back photo saying इसमें आलू है, ये fried है. So I think this is the time I really need support system.
Correct.
And not just support saying, you know, it's okay, you're doing it. No, it's just somebody to whack me on my and say, Kar.
Actually.
So, Lakshmi and my fitter coach, these are the two
I think
people who are
fitter
driving me.
sponsors.
I think
JC, if you are listening, you made a difference to my life. So, JC is the founder of Fitter.
Yes,
Okay.
JC will contact you later.
But this is the balance
But I
that I'm
think
having.
everyone needs a fitter and a Lakshmi in their life.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, dude, because gym mein you might get good trainers, but most of the gyms have very bad nutritionists. Or they don't care.
They don't care. So.
So I needed a balance of both. So I have two people in my life who are harrowing me, and I'm really loving it.
That's really an inspiring story, Akash.
So apart from the
Tears.
the Thor wake up call, what else has improved because of your fitness?
Everything improves. You know what happens is we see fitness is very myopic. कि मतलब खाना अच्छे से खाना या कम खाना या तो intermittent fasting करना या तो खुद को मार देना है और पतले होंगे और abs आएंगे and then you know women will look at us and the guys will be like looking at girls. All that is utter nonsense. All that happens is you start feeling great about yourself. It's like losing 18 kgs matlab you lost a human from you. You feel less tired. You are more active.
Correct.
So
Because
day-to-day
it's
life
not-
routine becomes
Everything.
better. Oh.
And if you're attractive, you find attractive people. See, today you guys have called me. So
So this would have happened pre.
maybe you will be like, यार ये थोड़ी हो सकता है मेरे fitness podcast. Maybe you should get somebody who's just started their journey, and then maybe in 2, 3, 4 months get them back and see the difference.
See the
Because people need to see real stories.
Correct.
I don't want to see influencers who are ripped. I just saw one of the influencers who used to tell people to eat Maggie after workout and smoke after workout.
Really? Wow.
And then now he is accepting without naming that he used to take steroid injections and now his
Steroids
entire
is
body is.
No, we don't support anabolic and all those things.
I didn't even know it exists. So I'm very happy to be like this. Roti, dal, salad, paneer, soya chunks, chicken. सही टाइम पे हर चीज खा ली एंड तुमने आधा घंटा 40 मिनट प्रॉपर वर्कआउट कर लिया बाय ट्रेनिंग अ सेट ऑफ मसल एवरी डे
That's it.
you are done. Don't chase a six-pack abs. That is a byproduct of it.
Correct.
वो आएगा. Chase fitness, saying that till yesterday when I was walking 100 meters, I used to pant.
Yes.
Now walking 250 meters, I don't.
Correct.
That is your fitness. And when you start doing this consistently, वो six-pack ab झक मार के आएगा यार.
सही बात है.
Do not have that as your base because that's a very shitty
Superficial,
place
yeah.
to begin with. That I need to work out because of six-pack abs. अभी नहीं है मेरा, अभी सिर्फ 2 है. आएगा बाकी 4. But that is not the motivating
Maybe
factor
we'll
for
call
me.
you for the next podcast when you have those six-pack abs.
Done. So my motivation is Thor. Thank you, Thor, the fat Thor.
The Avengers 1 Thor.
Yeah, no, the Avengers 1, I was,
You want to be
in my mind, I was Avengers 1 Thor. Somebody brought me down saying, boss, jago.
It's a good mirror that.
हाँ, actually. Let's see different.
How you are and what you do, they look at you.
Correct.
They don't listen to you. They observe, they look
Observe
at
and
you.
learn,
Yes.
yeah.
If you see that a kid is very, he shouts and he's fighting and he is very loud in open spaces, he's seen this.
From you.
I might be wrong, but he's seen this and he's emulating that
Emulating
behavior.
that behavior, correct.
I want my rockstar to emulate a behavior कि हाँ चल बाप try कर रहा है. He's trying to be consistent.
Correct.
And if he gets 10% of that consistency, he will kill it by the time he reaches my age. Yeah.
Very nice.
Very true.
So I'm doing it for him for sure. And then obviously for me. I mean, I don't want to sound very philosophical. Good body everybody likes, including you. So yeah, that's where it is.
Nice.
So Akash, would you like to talk about any work anecdotes or some examples you have in workplace you would like to tell our viewers?
Without taking
about it?
names.
Without taking names and
Landing you in trouble.
I think there are tons of them. A lot of things you can't speak about, but I think I'll let this topic be. Can't breach too many of the things that you've seen. You also end up seeing quite a lot of stuff. But good things that I've seen work-wise with my previous organization and with the current one is that now when it comes to eating well and looking good, people are doing it because now they want to do it.
Yeah.
Now it's no more pressure, and it's great to see that now people want to get into fitness because अब उनको वो करना है. They want it to be a part of their lives.
Life, correct.
correct.
Not because they want to get dates or move around and look nice. So that is always, as I said, वो byproduct है. If you start doing it, you'll get it. But it's good organizations now have gyms in it. They have mental health coaches.
Mental
lot of
health
wellness
coaches, yeah.
space.
So yeah, because देखो यार जब तक your people who are working there, if they are not fine physically, mentally, क्या ही कर लेंगे? And the company runs because of people. So the shift is great. I think people who are जो भी just काम करना शुरू कर रहे हैं, I think they are very lazy. And that somewhere that perspective needs to start coming. I think we had it tough. We've come here slightly more laborious, and we've toiled for it and we have worked for it. And people today that I see, and a lot of them, they come from a place where they are very entitled. कि पहले ये होना चाहिए फिर हम करेंगे काम. So ऐसे बहुत anecdotes हैं जो मैं शायद maybe for the next time I'll keep it when it is more fun and when we're not just talking fitness. But it's crazy, and people have started taking care of themselves now. That's what I can say right now.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
It's a good trend for 2025.
Yeah, I mean, don't wait for 25. Start now. Start tomorrow. वो होता है ना, मंडे को शुरू करेंगे, फिर start
Jan
होगा.
1st नहीं, Jan 2nd से चालू.
इसीलिए सबसे ज्यादा जिम ऑफर्स तभी निकलते हैं.
Actually, the
Because
most
then
of
you
the
end up
sales
paying for a
happen
year
that time.
And then
and get going for a week, and then you're like, यार time नहीं मिल रहा है.
it's not for me.
Not for me, yeah. So yeah, it's a good trend for 25, but start. Just start.
Yeah, just start.
Just start. Even if you want to start by doing 10 squats before you go to sleep, just do it. That's where it is. बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है, सब अपने आप होने लगता है once you get into that mindset.
Great answer.
Thanks,
Not so
Akash.
great.
That was a very fun podcast. So we are doing this segment called Hot Takes.
Okay.
So we want your honest opinions about the current climate of around business and all of these politicians that don't worry, we don't want anything controversial.
Politicians.
We'll talk about the GST part by President. What's your take on that? The 18% popcorn cap.
मत खाओ. 5% या 18% मत खाओ यार.
If it's not namkeen, it's taxed 18%. You think
Yeah,
it's fair?
I saw it.
Do you
and
think see the humor in it?
I don't know. Maybe the people who made these policies did see the humor in it and said, okay, let's find out different ways to
You know
troll
what?
people.
I found interesting. First, I thought that she was being funny, but she was so genuinely
Actually,
explaining
yeah.
why it is 18% with caramel because it's not namkeen. It doesn't come under namkeen.
यार ये देखो, यहाँ पे एक डब्बा पड़ा है. Can I have that?
Yeah, sure.
This. So it was full of
Cranberries.
cranberries and all your seeds. We finished this in about half an hour. ये खाओ यार. इसमें क्या
Why do you want to go for
5%
caramel?
18% कर रहे हो? यार देख यार, I don't know. I I don't know. I think it's an evolved brain that has come up with this. That how do you, when you are already taxed when you get your income, then you're taxed for everything else that you buy, and then I think it's one of the highest tax structures. सामने से दिखता नहीं है, but you end up spending that kind of money only on taxes. अब उसमें खाने के पीछे भी पड़ गए तो फिर maybe you know something that I don't.
We can't read that intellect.
Even I can't figure it out.
So अच्छा है ना. Now we'll eat less sugar. वैसे भी sugar is poison.
Yeah.
Sugar is the next smoking.
Yeah, I mean,
For all of us.
cut sugar. I mean, I've cut sugar from 90% of my things, and salt intake कम किया है. And I was talking to you that I make this water and I have a set of it at my home when I make 1 liter, and I have a same set in office, and it's very intriguing for people who walk into my cabin and see me making something pani. So I warm water 1 liter, I add basil seed, I add chia seed,
Okay.
Nice.
I add cinnamon, ginger powder, then lemon juice, then honey, shake it, and वो पीते रहता हूँ मैं. What it does, it also helps me not feel very hungry. ऑफिस में क्या होता है,
Yeah.
hunger pangs आते हैं ना.
Yes.
Yeah.
और ऑफिस में क्या
We
होता है,
tend to eat
समोसा,
junk. Everyone is
वड़ा
eating junk.
पाव,
Yeah.
स्टारबक्स मंगा लो. Nothing against Starbucks, but yeah. पर क्या मतलब, what it does, it keeps you full. And then when you've eaten and then you really are dying to eat something, उसी से होता ना. You don't realize how you're gaining weight is from everything that you feel कि इससे क्या होगा. 4 मैंने किसी से उठा के मूंगफली खा ली, कोई चिप्स खा रहा है, मैंने 4 चिप उठा के खा लिए. Everything adds to it. When I talk about the food intake, it's a measured food intake. It's a tough thing. मुझे भी, I am also still trying to get to terms with it. 70 grams ही raw rice, फिर cook करो. Half of the meals now I've started cooking myself, because if you have a cook or a maid or anybody, उनको क्या आया, तेल डाला, ये डाला, लो भैया रेडी है, but भैया को आलू नहीं चाहिए. So I've started prepping my own meals. I make my own soya. I like to cut this paneer and make it nice and crispy and saute it and eat it, and Vian also likes it a lot. So I've started doing my thing so that it's in my control. Weighing scale लाया छोटा सा to measure food.
Oh, nice.
And that is helping. I know people will think it's extreme, but it's basic. वो थोड़ा सा भी कर लिया, and if you make it as a part of your life, you're sorted यार. फिर ये motivation की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Motivation is so overrated. मैं 4 वीडियोस देख लिए motivation के, और बस अब चाह रहा हूँ मैं, motivate हो चुका हूँ, and then अगले दिन खत्म, motivation is over. Everything that came in your mind is gone. So chase consistency. I am also chasing that. I have not reached there yet. If you're consistent, you are powerful than anybody who is more talented, anybody who has a better physique, or what do you say, better genes. Anybody, if you just put in the hard work and you're little consistent, khatam. So chase discipline and consistency. Don't chase a 6-pack. वो आएगा, but consistent रहो. So caramel को 18% करने दो.
We don't care about caramel.
नमकीन को 5% करने दो. महीने में एक बार खाते हो, दे दो, और क्या, खत्म करो उसको.
There was a very balanced take on this. Narayan Murthy, 70-hour work week. What's your take on that?
I don't know, he's done something right for himself, right? He's known globally, he's a billionaire. But मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. I don't think so. I need to slog myself just to make the money I'm there making. Maybe I'll find a different way.
He's providing that as a solution to whatever economic issue that we are heading towards, or maybe people say that we are heading towards a recession also. Do you think that will help? That's what he's trying to say, that is the only way out of this.
What I would say is, if there are 10 crore people working, get 20 crore people working. Create more jobs. More people working will give you more than making those 10 crore people work more.
Double, right? Yeah.
थोड़ा बेस बढ़ाओ, जॉब्स क्रिएट करो, there are so many new avenues people have. Make it easier for people to work rather than we are ending up creating
Too much work
workers.
pressure. Actually.
Our education system, at least till the time
Same.
we were told that पहले पढ़ाई करो,
Be the
फिर
frame.
फिर वो डॉक्टर का एग्जाम दे दो या तुम इंजीनियरिंग का एग्जाम दे दो और तुम डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर बन जाओ. थैंकफुली BMM आने के बाद मुझे वहां नहीं जाना पड़ा. आई गेव द मेडिकल एंट्रेंस, शायद मैंने क्रैक भी कर दिया था, बट आई न्यू आई वाज नॉट गोना बी अ ग्रेट डॉक्टर. सो फाइंड एवेन्यूज वेयर पीपल आर वरीड अबाउट AI या रिप्लेस करे. अरे लर्न AI, बिकम अ मास्टर इन इट. हाउ विल इट रिप्लेस? Find problems that people have. Try to find solutions for it.
Correct.
That's the magic mantra. Nothing else is. 70-hour week, 80-hour week, 90-hour week. Please continue doing what works for you. Don't impose it on people.
And there are some countries that are going for 4-hour work days.
कौन सी countries है?
Europe.
Do you need a head of marketing?
You should shift to Europe.
Do you need head of marketing? तो 2 decade का experience है. अच्छा कर लूँगा मैं.
That's a good pitch, direct pitch. You want to talk about your new passion?
Actually,
Sneakers.
Sneakers. I think it's a passion that stems out of not having much. Everybody has a story.
Yes.
So mine was, I think, when I was growing up, dad was the only bread earner. My mom was a professor in Banaras in the university, BHU. But I think after they moved to Pune and then Bombay, it was just dad and so me, my 3 sisters. So he lived his entire life making sure that our family was taken care of. One of my sisters in the US, the other one is an MD doctor in Ayurveda. I told her she's become an influencer. So she talks about medicine. She's the only doctor I believe in. मुझे कुछ भी होता तो दीदी, that's where it is. And my younger sister is there. So what I have realized is जिस तरह से one person works and gets the family together in the limited things that he had. So when in my school and college days, till about 6th, I was in a school somewhere in King Circle. I was a nice top 3 topper, this, that. Then because of my good percentage, I got a chance to study in a school called Don Bosco, Matunga. So you have rich kids, rich families, and I was from a middle class or a lower middle class family. So it starts hitting you because then you start doubting where you are today. यार, I don't have this much, I don't have this. The kids are coming in cars, मैं तो यार चल के आ रहा हूँ या फिर बस में आ रहा हूँ. So that things that you don't have, then you reach college. So in college also, I had one shoe and मुझे तो पता नहीं कौन सा brand का था और वो खराब होने लग गया था. So there was some contest that my sister entered and she won the contest and the prize was a Lotto shoe. There was a shoe brand called Lotto.
Lotto used to work.
So she didn't take it. She said, "You get it." So I went and I bought won that Lotto shoe that my younger sister won. And I wore it for 3.5 years. वो इधर से फट गया था, उसको मैंने सिलाया, ये सब किया. So that is how I have lived my college days. So somewhere वो subconscious में रहता है कि साले ये तुम्हारे पास था नहीं जब सबके पास होता था. तो शायद वो किसी दिन it must have manifested when my sister who was in US sent me a Jordan, a black Jordan. तब तक मुझे पता नहीं था भाई Jordan क्या होता है. My first ever sneaker that was bought by my mother. I know we spent about 8,500 and I was like, Mama, क्यों ले रहे हो? It was a Nike Presto.
Okay.
So and my sister sent. फिर वहाँ से कहीं तो आया that okay चलो you started working, you're doing good for yourself. तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि I'm a sneaker head. मैंने फिर ये जूता अच्छा लगा ले लिया, ये अच्छा लगा ले लिया, फिर लेते गए and it was not like कि I'm a sneaker head तो मेरे पास सारे Jordans होने चाहिए. नहीं, मेरे पास शायद एक Jordan होगा. I used to buy things that I like, that are unique, that stand apart and people come and ask कि कौन सा brand है, कहाँ से लिया. वो करते करते I think now I'm at some 60 odd shoes, but each one of them are different from the other. उसमें से Nike LeBrons had some great designs, so I have that. Reebok makes some amazing designs like Shaqnosis, Shaq Attack, which people don't even know. हमारे इधर इंडिया में क्या बेच रहे हैं? White blue, black और सब walking shoes. मतलब पूरा इंडिया सिर्फ चल रहा है.
Only walking and running shoes.
सिर्फ चल रहा है. So I like these mid tops, basketball shoes and all that. And what I've realized that if you like good stuff, everything is very expensive. You know, 15,000, 20,000. I have a shoe that costs about 80,000 rupees. If I resell, I'll get 1,50,000 right now. So then I was like, you like sneakers, you like to wear something different. And maybe not everybody can pull it off, or they don't know if they can pull it off. They don't have the resources to buy it. So why not launch a sneaker brand? So I'm working on my brand right now. I'm designing. My son is also designing it.
Oh, nice.
And,
Very creative.
The other thing I really like cargos and hoodies. For some reason, I love them. So I am right now in current capacity. I work as a vice president for a lifestyle and fashion house. I handle 16 odd brands and retail chains. But
You have a good insight into what might.
I walk into office in my cargos and so my MD sometimes tells me, "यार कभी तो formal पहन ले." I said, "Yeah, I wear formals, but you've got me here not for my clothes, right? For what I can maybe do for your brand." So looking at this, and there are so many brands that are coming up today. हर दूसरे दिन कोई एक नया ब्रांड लॉन्च हो रहा है, फिर हर तीसरे दिन कोई बंद हो रहा है. Very few have sustained. So like why not try? एक ही लाइफ है यार, चालू करते हैं. चल गए तो ठीक है. At least when you go, it stays. Something stays back. So I'm working in the brand name. I'll not reveal the brand name, but I'm hoping next 6 months, the sneakers, the cargos, and the hoodies will come out.
So first in Healthy Naris, you know, Akash Mishra is launching his own sneaker brand.
Yeah. Please, anybody listening, please help a brother out.
You have to wait 6 months.
Yeah, I'm right now in process of finding manufacturers, whether in India, Vietnam, or Thailand, or anywhere where I can find some good manufacturers who can look at a person who will not have huge MOQs like 10-20,000 pairs, small MOQs, and who wants to grow with me.
Yeah.
I want you.
So any
Please come.
entrepreneurs, guys.
Please come. I'll need guidance. Marketing, I'll kick. Rest, you'll have to help it. So yeah, that's what it is, and a few passions everybody has in life. So my dad was from FTI, Film and Television Institute of India. He was a director and one of the best sound engineers in India. He always had a thing to make movies, so that is second on my bucket list. I still have the small paper that my dad had given in the hospital. It had 5 things written. And now those 5 things are my driving force. One is he wanted to go to Banaras. So now he is there in Ganga Ji. He wanted to go to Australia and see kangaroos. He wanted to go to Las Vegas. So my dad had a good time, I guess. He always wanted to sit in a Mercedes. He used to call it wo tare wali gaadi leni hai. I could not get for him, so maybe I will buy for him for sure. And he wanted to make a film. So these are the 5 things that are there that were his wish list. Now they are mine. And then launching a brand is the 6th one that I have. So that is what's going to drive me for the next 20 years.
Great,
That's
very
so
emotional and
great.
great.
Emotional है तो वो 20 साल चलने के लिए then that's why you have to be fit, right?
Yes, for sure.
So Akash, our last segment is like a rapid fire. You have to tell alternatives for whatever words we are describing. So we'll start. First is protein powder.
I think it's very expensive. I think these days new brands have come in. I just met somebody who's launched a brand called Aquatine. 120 रुपए का पानी बेच रहा है वो, but उसमें 21 ग्राम प्रोटीन है. So if you don't have access to protein powder, पनीर खाओ यार. पनीर खाओ, सौते करके बनाओ. चिकन खाते हो तो चिकन खाओ. Egg whites खाओ.
Second is gym.
घर पे. If you don't have time, please get 2 set of dumbbells. And 1 barbell. If you don't have a bench, कोई बात नहीं. You can still do chest exercise on the floor. YouTube, जाओ, देखो. कहीं कोच ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just go to YouTube, find what works for you. There are HIIT challenges, there are workouts. Find out those 10 videos that work for you. Create your Chat GPT तुम्हारा routine बना के देता है यार. Use that, create and do it. And if you want to socialize, gym is there.
Gym is there. Correct.
I mean, to work out.
Chai.
Chai, piyo. But चल के जाओ अगली बार चाय पीने के लिए. Walk. If 1 cup of tea, at least 1,000 steps चल लो. So
Without
Do
sugar.
you think there'll be 18% GST on chai soon?
मैम को ही पता होगा.
Cookies.
I've never been into sweets. I like those dry fruits and nuts and those seeds a lot. Blackberry seeds और ये वो खाओ. बहुत tasty भी होता है.
Treadmill.
I can't. I've had a knee I had an accident 20 years ago. I had a knee operation, arthroscopy. So I cannot. I don't want to do cardio because it hurts me. Even now, my knee hurts. So I focus on weights. So yeah, if you don't want to do cardio, chalo. Walk the extra steps. If you're in office, don't take the elevator. Just walk up the stairs. So that's enough for you.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Actually. Oil.
Have it, but little. Or ghee. Nothing beats ghee. I love ghee. So if you don't like this,
Best source of fat, yeah.
ghee, but learn about it, balanced. Maybe I'm not a nutritionist to tell you, but ghee is good.
Alternative for fried food.
Anything which is baked, fruits, nuts, anything.
Fat burners.
It's a myth. It's a myth. Nothing burns fats.
What's with Ozempic? The Ozempic phase now.
Yeah, actually.
If you know, please send it to me. I would love to try.
It's been great. Thank you for your personal touch and
Thank you for
delving
calling.
deep into all the questions that we asked.
No, thank you for calling. It was super fun.
Thanks
And I
for
wish you guys all the best.
Thank you.
I know it's a new venture for you
Yes.
also. So when you become very big, super big, when you have assistants picking up your calls, please call me again. I would love to come back.
He said, don't
Don't call me that.
That's nice out. I like the segue.
You guys are smart enough. See, that's what I was saying.
We got that, but yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Akash, for coming for our podcast, The Glow Up Talk. This is for you.
Next time you give this to me again, I'm coming back again. So you want to come here, you get some crazy stuff from Benefit Foods. चल मेरा 1 महीने का राशन का पैसा बच गया. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this amazing podcast with Akash. The sky's the limit when we talk to him, I guess. Like, we could have had another session with him, but keeping it short. We will bring you more interesting stories from such people from different walks of life who have realistic fitness goals and not only the influencer version of six-pack abs or unrealistic beauty standards, who actually want to elongate their life, have a fulfilled and active lifestyle, and their weight loss or their fitness journey along with their food and realistic goals, meeting those food standards.
So don't forget to like our channel, like our videos, and share it to other fitness enthusiasts, young professionals who are beginners who want to actually follow fitness regime but they don't know where to start from. How do they work out? Do they go to gym? Do they do home workouts? So please be tuned with us. Subscribe to our channel Healthy Naris on YouTube and Instagram. We have the same name. So stay tuned. Happy exploring and happy eating. Thank you.